Okay guys, we are back. Let's continue the project that we are creating. In the previous video, we started two models, if you remember, that we use something named cross tuner. If I recall that, we use that. But the main problem we have with the cross tuner was the time consumption of the cross tuner, that I wait for than I think a day. My system is running the project, but nothing happened, and after a day it just slowly try to do the things. I searched a little. I don't have lots of detail also on that, but after a little research I find that you must run that program on the server or a better PC, but because I don't have, I give up on that. So let's continue and see what we are doing. Okay, we complete the analysis and we have it here. So after the analysis, just for recall, you see that we done a great job and we somehow done the work. Now we are going to complete the regression and see what we can create over there. Okay, let's go to our regression. We have a regression here. We created one model, but we forget to see the results. Let me just open Anaconda. If you don't know how to create environment, ask me. I'm going to help you to create an environment for your work. That's better to use environment when you are trying to code a program. It's more useful than not having that. Okay, Jupyter Notebook. The environment, let me just tell you like this. If you have a house and the house is your PC, the environment is just a ROM. It's better to have some libraries in the ROM more than a house. Let me open the Gemini also. GitHub. You have the project here. Not this project, another project. Okay. Popular repositories. I don't understand. Someone is seeing my repository or not. Okay, but we have that and we have 19 comments. You can go to the last comment always to see what is the last work you do. Because of that, using GitHub is pretty interesting and nice. Why? Okay, we have here. Let's go to that. You see, creating a model to a version of model 1 without cross-tuner hyperparameters. Okay, we created model 2, I think. Now we need to make it better. Let's go there. Let's wait. I think something that said this is popular. Let me see if someone saw that or not. Okay. It's just me and I can't find that if someone seeing this or not. Okay, but let's go back to continue creating our model. We go to desktop, project. Okay, we have models, regression, and model 2. We create new notebook, not here. Let me delete that. We create a new folder, model 3. Go to there and create a new notebook. Let's name it model 3. Okay, we created our notebook and everything is ready. Let's start the job. But let's see what we created in the back. The code that we created in the past, and the results are all here. You can see. Let me just make it clean. Run This is not an official name for saving that, but I'm good with that. Let me cut everything here. Let's have a look at the model matrix. MAE, MSE, and R2 scores. Okay. I'm going to tell that to change the error methods, but let's take a look at 3 of them. The first one is R2 score. The R2 score is nearer the 1. The score is better, but we don't have any near 1. That means that R fails and we need to create another one. Okay, let's go to our model 3. But before that, let's commit that model 2. Every model 2, some cleaning the space. Let's commit them to. After committing them, we can simply make our space more cleaner and it's better for us. Okay, let's push them and see if the Git is going correctly. Now let's go to our project. We have model 2 here and the matrix are not good. Let me just copy that and give it to Gemini. Change the matrix for error to non-dimensional errors like R2 and others. Okay, let's see if it understands non-dimensionals. Also, the model is working very bad. We need to make it look better and work better, but just wait for it. Ardo MAPE. Okay, it's good. We have MAE, MSE, Ardo, MAPE. Those are good things. Let me just copy them. And can you upgrade the model? Because this model don't work on my data. We wanted to give us an upgrade. Let me turn off the Bluetooth. We just need to wait. I somehow find a problem, but let it upgrade the model. And after upgrading the model, I'm going to upgrade it by hand and change something in the structures. But up until now, gave the opportunity to him. Let's run it. And let me just K model upgrade. That's good. This is the K models upgrade. We are going to use them and we are going to commit the project. Okay, let me just delete the model 2. We don't need them. Let's take a look at the upgrade that it created. Deeper and wider object, advanced activation function, liquid relu. It's good. For some of you that don't know what relu is one of the most important activation functions. That is for example, if it is our chart, X and Y, relu is here. the the relay is like this. For the x bigger than 0, y equal to x. For the x smaller than 0, y equal to 0. This is the ReLU function and very useful. You can use it every time you want. Okay, let's take a back look at our model. It's running smoothly. Until it's running, let me just create the upgrading model to version 3. Let me just paste the data here. It's running as smoothly as possible. I really love that. But we have to wait. In the training waiting is one of the important part. Until the waiting is happened, let's learn about this new matrix that it gave to us. These two things, I don't have any understanding of them. Let's open the Gemini. Can you describe these errors? Okay, the Gemini is taking its time. That means our filter scan our VPN is not working. I don't know what is the problem with that, but the Gemini is not working. Let me just cut that and refresh the site. Okay, we can just wait. Let's go here. The model is creating. The datas are here. Let's open another Gemini. The VPN is working perfectly. Let's go for ChatGPT and see what is the problem is. Okay, the problem is from Gemini because the ChatGPT is working great. Okay, adjust R2. Higher, better fit. Okay. One perfect. Everyone is the one perfect. If they are near the one, that means they are working great. Okay, it's amazing to know that. And let me see why I can't use Gemini. Let's change the direction. I can't really understand. What is the problem? Here we can speak, but let's say thanks to see if that library works or not. Okay, it's working, but why this is not working? I can't understand really. Maybe I just have to wait or copy that thing and paste it here. Our model is training and we have a problem. All the matters with the programmers is how to solve the problems. If you can understand and solve them, you are a programmer. And it's important, more important than other jobs. Solving, knowing the problem, it's all the thing that matters. Because in nowadays, we just verify. We have 7 days of a student, and after that it's ended. I'm going to use my plan that I bought. Okay, the result is here. Let's go and have a look. Here, the plots, the model performance metrics. At first, always clean your workspace. Paste it here. You can also define to your codes that do this work for you, but I like to do it by myself to see if there are results or not. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay, these three are not important. They are in the same date, year, month, hour, but these trees, the others are very bad. MAP is error by percent, and when it's come near 0, it's better. And you see, if we delete this tree, this is also bad, but we have some good things in there. Maybe we can use them, but we need to improve our model better and better. Okay, let's commit the model. Can you upgrade or change the model so the performance rise? Okay, that's it. Now we have here, we have kind of work to do. What we are going to do here, we are going to, we commit that. Yes, we commit that. Let's see if the commits go. Okay, push them. Now we are going to create our model 4. Model 4. And new untitled notebook. Model 4. Let's see the changes. The upgrade. Just paste them as a text. And here also paste them. Okay, it's crashed. Let's make it markdown. You see, the main problem is just one space sometimes. Let's copy the model and let it run. Until it's running, let's go to our model 3 and create a model 5. And we create a new notebook on that. We call it model 5. I'm going to change the model by myself to see if I can make it better or not. We have this model here. Let's go to the network structures. Where is the structure? Boy, I can't find the structure. Okay, the structure is here. Add 2 more blocks, 4, 5, and 6. Let's rename them 6, 5, 4. And then after doing that, I just Control S it to save it. Now run it. And for the text, upgrading the model 3 by adding 3 more blocks to our neural network structure. It's good. Now let's wait for the model 4. What the hell is it doing? Let me take a look at model 4 folder. Okay, it's doing the work I don't really like, tuning the data to find the best hyperparameters. Let me have a look and see where is the problem. Whenever he uses the model cross tuner, everything is going to get hard. Let's ask ChatGPT what is cross tuner used for and why it consumes lots of time. Crossover is one. Crossover is a library for hyperparameter choice. Multiple trial. Let's ask it, make this model faster. Because we have a problem, we can run it if you want. Let's see what it can do. We need to reduce the parameters for the better result. Okay, it's going to speed that up. We are going to use the give me the complete code. Okay, it's give me the complete code without asking even. Let's go here. We interrupt the model. We delete the trust tuner. And I want to do some changes here in the output columns. I'm going to delete indentation taste, month, hour, date, day, and okay, it is good. We delete the ones we want. Let's run it. Okay, we have a main problem. We must install that pip install light GBM library. It's for the model to run faster, I think. Let's see if we can install that. See, it's always about try and try again. Try, fail, try again. Try, fail, try again. Try, achieve, try again. It's always about trying. How fast it is. Let's go to our model 4. It's so fast, but it has a problem. Why did you delete the errors? Don't delete the errors and give me back them, and also don't delete the part that draw chart. Let's take a look at the matrix at first. The matrix are pretty good. Let's just wait. Delete that thing. I hope it didn't delete this time. Okay. The speed of this model with light GBM is pretty perfect, but I don't have any opinion on the results. Let's run it. It's running very, very fast. Okay, let's have a look. Model 4 matrix. The results are in some of them a little acceptable, but not the best we want. So we can have it. Let's call it run. We can have all the detailed result here. Okay, now let's save this model. Commit the model 4. Model 4. Model 4. We must unpin all the model 5s. Upgrading to model 4 with light GBM. Let's commit them, push them, and select all the changes. Save the model 5 also. Let's take a look at model 5. Run. Model 5. Let's paste them and see the result. We have some improvement. In R2, no improvement, but MAP is good. Now we need to make it better. Let's go to model 6. But before that, let me just commit everything. Model 5. Upgraded model 4, model 3 with adding 3 more blocks. Okay, let's commit that. New folder, model 6. Let's go there, create a new notebook. Model 6. Let me just delete it, close it. Okay. Let it run. No, it's not what we find to run. Let me end that. Can you upgrade the model, because my Ardu is near 0. It's between 0 and okay, let's wait for it to upgrade our model. Let's wait. What it's do? We have a problem here. It's also find that sometimes I don't know if the AIs are intelligent or stupid because of the things that they say. I can't really find the difference between them. You see, it gave me a clear fact. Is a common frustrating problem. Okay, let me just copy that. And copy the text. The upgraded model is going to work better. Let's see the upgrade, read them at first, create advanced features, run and study to find the best. Okay, let's run it. Model 6. Okay, we must install the model Optuna, I don't know what is the name. When you have environment, some of you may be asking the comments, so you install a lot of library and some of them are really huge. So how did you work with them and they not occupy all your space? The main thing I do about that is that when you create an environment, it's some kind of like that. I have a house here. Let me just show you. It's like we have a house. Here is our house. This house is my PC. And I don't install the libraries all over the house. I just simply create a room here and install the libraries here. This is my environment. And I do this work to solve the problem. Let's run it. Okay, it's working faster. I also want to create model 7, but before that, let's make it to look at a markdown. It's pretty amazing how good looking your code like in Jupyter. This kind of libraries and workstations are beautiful. Upgrading the model to version 6. This project is taking more time than I want, but it's not important. It can always take time. Now let's go to model 7. Model 7. Okay, model 7. Before running model 7, I want to see the result of model 6 or the time it's going to take. No, it's fast. We can wait a little and see the results easily, and I hope they are good. Maybe they will, maybe they will not, but we can always make it better and bigger. I hope you are enjoying my videos. If I have anything that are bad in my videos, I know I have a lots of them. The first problem is my grammars and maybe my tones of my voice, but if I have anything you think you can fix it, tell me. I will be happy, more than happy to hear that. I'm having this channel, I think, more than 2 or 3 years by now. More than 2 years. And I've come a long distance. Okay, all the models created. Let's, by Control S, save it at first. Where is the matrix? It don't have matrix. Wow. Where is the matrix Excel in my code? That's disaster. Tuned LGBM matrix. You change the name. Okay. I don't know what it do. My matrix Excel don't have all the metrics, just some of them. Why? Sorry. This look the worst thing possible. They are not even good. Okay, I think we are not going anywhere else with these models. We have a main problem. Let me just commit model 6. This is useless. Perfectly useless. We are not going anywhere with that. But let's evaluate our result in the next video and see what we are going to do. But until then, let me push everything and commit them. Okay, it's not letting me commit everything. What is the problem? Okay, it's not important. Let me push them. Let's until it push it. We analyze a little our data. Analyzing data. Analyzing result. It's a better name. Results. We need to open an Excel here. Analyzing the results. Let's take a look at them. Let me open it. go to regression and come from model 1. Sorry, we can't copy all of them. Model 1. Okay. Model 2. No, it's model 2. Model 3. The road to perfection is a hard road. I always know that. But I can't also give up, because I have some dreams. I must make them. Okay, let's go to model 4. Maybe I just go and sell the things other people's, or become influencer and be some clown. But I prefer the way that I like it more, and it's my way. I know maybe it's ridiculous or hard, but that's my way. Okay, model 5. Model 6 and 7 are not ready. Let's take a look at them. I can delete this thing. Let's delete it. I can also delete this thing and that. No, I'm going to actually have that. Cut that, put it here. Let me delete that. Increase it in size. Now I want them to all of them. To make them 3 indicators. Okay, we have them. This is MSEE. This is our raw data. I copy this, create a copy, raw results. Let's go here. The indecent date, year, month, time is useless. Let me just delete them. Oh, we have a really, I don't like problem. The name of the model is gone. Because of that, we copy that and paste it here as a numbers. There are no more. Okay, we delete them. Delete them. Model 4. I'm going to copy it by hand. Okay, let's type day, month. Okay, let's go here, date, year, month, hour. Now we need to see which one of them is the better and which one of them is the worst. Let's at first ask Gemini. This is the result of my models for predicting which one of them has the best results, and also which parameters we predict the best with our model. Okay, until it's doing the work, let us have a conversation about them. The R2, let's see the top 10%. Okay, these are not too top, but for the adjusted R2, we just need to see the top 10%. And this thing also the top 10%. But the MAP we need to see the bottom 10%. Bottom 10%, the 10 numbers it gave. Bottom 10%. Okay. Model 4 is the best. Model 3 and 2. Volume released at failure, arc fit. It's good. This is a useful parameters to predict, and I love that. Let me just copy this text, open a text. Why I create it here? I'm going to create it at analysis. Save, and then commit this to thing. Analyzing first, analyzing of results. Okay, let's commit them and push them. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice